Hello everyone, my name is Prabhakar. My YouTube channel name is DPAB Hosur. So in this video, you are just going to see how you are going to learn HTML in 90 days. And this is about day one. Let's see inside. So what is HTML? It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So in HTML, you will be using tags for creating headings, paragraphs, links, images, and forms. So how to create a website using HTML, you can create it. You can write some headings, you can write some paragraph, you can just provide some link to so that it is going to some other website of yours or others. And you can just insert some beautiful images and make a form so that your user or customer will be able to fill up the forms and get the feedback from back to your website, right? Okay, about this history of this HTML, way back in 1991, Tim Berners-Lee, he has created this HTML for the first time at CERN, which is a European Organization for Nuclear Research, to help people around the globe to share the documents on the website. Website can be categorized as a real website or a blog. Website can be built on your own, or you can just use the uh, this uh, uh, this free version of Google or Microsoft or any other this thing, right? Okay, now like this, all the other things, early 1990s, HTML4, HTML5, all these details are given here. Please go through this. And our idea of making this video is to learn how to create a particular website using this HTML. So this particular text, hello world, I learned HTML in 90 days through the DPAB Hosur's blog, and then the definition and this particular paragraph. Below that, another heading called history and the paragraph about the history. These are the things we are just going to really create in the website using the HTML code. So how are you going to do it? As a student or a learner, you will be writing this particular code in Notepad or Google Blogger directly, which you will be doing through Google Blogger only. And if you are a pro user of website, you have created your own website, there also you can write this HTML code to create your own blog. So I am the author for explaining this video. My blog name is DPAB Hosur, as I told you. And we are on the day one of 90 days plan to complete the learning of HTML. So we will just go and create our blogger now. So now I am opening this Google. In Google, I have already signed in. That's why my name is appearing here as Prabhakar. So in the address bar, I will just go and type it, google.com. Then this particular apps detail will come in the 9 dots in the right side bottom, right side top. Google apps are there. Click on this, straight away come down here. Click on the Blogger app. So it will open the Blogger app, wherein I have created many blogs like this. Okay, so this is the first blog is learn HTML CSS. When I click this, now whatever post it is just highlighting this post is here, and you are getting the new plus new post is there. That means we are currently allowed to create new posts. But I wanted to go to this page, so I'm clicking on this page. Now page has become the highlighted one, and then what are the pages already I created has come here. For you to understand this, now I'm just going to create a new page here. Right. Before creating a new page, how to create a blog, if you want to know that, click on the three line here in this left side of this blogger icon. Click on this, and you will be seeing here straight away this particular current blog is available as Learn HTML, this blog, what you are seeing here now. And second, this is Worldwide Learners by PKT KDPAB. This is another blog which I created, and these are the pages in that. And I'm selecting this next one, Learn Microsoft Excel through blog of DPAB. So this is the third blog which I have created, and these are the pages and posts like this. And when you click on this drop down menu, straight away come down here, you will see this button, new blog. Click on this and you will get a choose a name for your blog. So we can just select it. Let us say name one. Okay, name one, something you can just create it and click on the next. So now it is asking a address which by default will be joined with the text of .blogspot.com because this is owned and controlled by Google, and you cannot control this website because it is a blog. Blog will be controlled by the big organization like Google, Microsoft, or any other big organization. If you are creating your own website, then this will come like a, let us say you are having a xyz.com as your own website. Then this .xyz.com will appear here. So let us say here, my blog one. You can keep any other name also, just we are putting. So it says whether the blog name is available in the group, this Google platform or not. Sorry, this blog address is not available. I'll put one more one. This is also not available. Okay. Now I'll put it as if you are having this any other name, this XYZ11. Is it available here? Yes, it is available now. So like this, you can decide whatever blog you want to create it. So for the purpose of coaching you, I will just create it. Learn HTML through DPAB Hosur. So is it available? Yes, it is available. Nobody would have created this. So I'm just saving it here now. Now it is saving. And you are seeing this name one as the blog name. Okay, the blog name. So this blog name, what is the link we have just created is learn HTML through DPAB blog.blogspot.com. That is the particular blog. Okay. So in this blog, by default, it comes to the post because post is highlighted here. We can create a new post here. But I want a static page to be created first. Okay. Then here this plus new page. Click on that and there is a title for the new pages come. So I'll put it here as page dash 001. Okay. Page dash 001 or whatever name you wanted to give, you can just give. So we can give it as learn HTML through DPAB Hosur blog day 1. Okay. So we will just make it descriptive learn HTML in 90 days. So through DPAB Hosur blog. So it is a day 1. And this I would like to mark this as a page because we just wanted to understand what item we are creating. It's not a post, it's a page, right? Now, when it comes to this button here, if you select the drop down here, you have HTML view option and compose view option. So I will select HTML view because our purpose of learning this video is to how to create a HTML course, how to learn HTML code in 90 days. So whatever is appearing here, something is, I'll just delete it here now. And first I will put this greater than symbol. Then in this H1 I'm typing, closing that. And next we have to close that header 1. It is like a header 1 text. Okay. Header 1, we should close it with the slash H1. So in between these two tags, we can just type whatever is we wanted. So hello world. Learn HTML in 90 days through DPAB Hosur blog in an excellent way. So this is the header 1. We have just typed it. After this, I want to create a header 2 type 1. So H2 we will type it here and then close it with the slash H2. So in between this tag, whatever we type, it will come appear as a header 2. That's the Header 1 will be largest text, larger text, and header 2 will be the smaller text definition. Okay. So this particular code, there are two line codes. Line 1 contains H1, header 1 type, and in between this text is available here. Line 2 contains header 2, and in which we have a text typed as definition. Now we have the option here to this publish as the website. Okay. And it's a blog. It's not a website. We should not call it as a website. It's a blog because we are depending on Google to control it. So confirm that. So it is published. Now we are seeing this page is appearing here as a big L is there. Learn HTML in 90 days through DPAB Hosur blog. And it is published today, 29 July 2026. Now its time is around 10 o'clock. So we have these are the icons here. So if you want revert to draft so that no one in the world can see this. Now since it is published, people around the world can see this. And now revert to draft, when I click on this, people cannot see that. Now this particular option next to second icon is move this to bin. So delete the block permanently. Now this is the view icon through which we can just view here. And this is my profile. Once you signed in, after that you are creating the blog and your blog's detail profile will appear here. And below this share link is there. And this is number of people have written the comment. Number of comment is there on the blog, whoever has visited my blog. So since it is a fresh one, nobody has visited now. And this is number of views. So number of comment and number of views. So what I wanted to see here, click on the share button here. I can share this to some of my friends to see this. Like this, people can go and see in the Google by pressing that link in the address bar, press it here. Now you are seeing that beautifully. The blog name is appearing here. Name 1 is the blog name which we have created. In this blog, this is the page we have created with this particular title. What is the title we have given? Learn HTML in 90 days through DPAB Hosur blog, day 1 page -001. This is the title. You remember that? Okay, how to see the title here? So I'll just go to this blog page and then created one we are just seeing here. So this is the title what we have typed here. It is appearing here the same way. And this particular larger text is available. Hello world, learn HTML in 90 days through DPAV Hosur blog in an excellent way. And the definition is slightly smaller text compared to this hello world, this particular text. So definition is next one. So because we have given this within the tag of H1, header 1 tag, and definition we have given in header 2 tag like this what we are seeing here. I hope you are able to follow me, right? Right. Now next one is the paragraph tab. We have to write it with like this. P and close it and close it with this /P. In between I wanted to write HTML stands for hyper text markup language. It uses tags like H1, like combination of tags, okay? Like combination of tags like H1 like this. We should put within the double quote, then only it will be taken this as a spot. So this I will avoid right now because when we go in advanced level, we'll just see this, okay? It uses tags from which the system understand what content, what are the contents to be displayed on the website and what are the contents not to be displayed in the website. Okay, so now this is the paragraph tag. Within that, we have created some text. Now we are just going to update because publish is already done. So publish option is not there. Only option is update. Click on this update and just go and refresh this particular address where we have seen this. Refresh it. So now you are seeing this HTML stands for this is the paragraph what you have typed here. Okay. So what we have done here is we have created the blog name one and we have created the title and we have created the header one text which is coming here like this and we have created the header two text as definition and the finally we have typed the paragraph. So now here we just written here something not to be displayed on the website. So now I'll go on the line one and press enter here. Again, going back to line one, where the space is available here now. And I will type this less than symbol. Very importantly, note down now, I am pressing exclamatory symbol. That means now it is going to be the comment line, which will not be printed in the website and users or visitor cannot see whatever I'm just going to write it here. Okay. So this is comment line. The purpose of below HTML code is to display text in header 1, comma, header 2 and paragraph. In my blog, okay, like this. So we'll just close it now. So because it is starting with this exclamatory symbol after this less than symbol and then ending with the closing symbol. Now this particular text will not be, that is, this is comment line. Okay, this is comment line. And the purpose of below HTML code, this blah, blah will not be displayed in the website. So I will just update here now. And going and refreshing this blog. And you are seeing that nowhere that particular comment line is available here now. Understood? And another way to update this here is just click on this option button, click on the compose view. So you'll be seeing here. And let us say insert the picture. I want to insert the picture here. Okay, click on this image here, upload from your computer and browse on this. So I will go to this wealth folder here, blog here and my image, this logo somewhere I wanted to insert it here. So this is going to insert the logo and that logo is now it is going to appear here. And we have the option to, by default, it is appearing in the center. And if you want to keep it in the left hand side, click on this, it will go to the left hand side and click on the image again. If you make it again back to the center, make it here like this. And straight away you can just reduce it or increase it, whatever way you want to do, right? So now this particular image only we have created manually by inserting using these buttons. So you have some buttons also here, undo, redo, then font type, font size, and normal type, bold, italic, like whatever you have seen in Microsoft Excel and Word also. And this strike through, text color, text background color, insert or edit a link, insert an image. Just now you have seen this, my blog, my brand name is inserted here. Insert some video, insert special characters, insert widget or AI powered enhancement, something is new. And this is the, so many other icons are there. You can just go through this and create it. Now, okay, now we will just update this and see here how it is going to be. So beautifully, the logo also has come here. So you can just position this logo wherever you want it later on. Now, what is the code it has created for the image what we have inserted now? So from the compose view, I will switch back to HTML view and see that. So you are able to see this. Some changes are there. Up to this, only have created this. So now I'm just entering it here. I'm creating some 3 blanks. Row number 5 blank, row number 6 blank, row number 7 blank. Okay. Website, some content error was there. I will correct it. Contents. Okay. Right. So this particular block is created by the system automatically from the image which I have created. So here you are able to see something is in green color, something is in red color, something is in blue color. All this, when you go in detail in the next class, you'll be able to understand that what are they. But before that, I will just indicate here. You are able to see here what is this. This is some paragraph is starting here, and this is from some line break is there. One line break is there. After that, the paragraph ends here. So we can just press it and adjust it like this. Again, one more paragraph is starting, one line break is there, and it is ending here. Next, division is there. Division class is a separator, and for the style it is clear. These are the parameter for that value is assigned. For the parameter class, the value is separator. For the parameter style, there are many values. In that clear is both. For the parameter clear, it is both. For the parameter text align, it is center. So the picture is aligned center like that. Okay. Now, in the division class, whatever the division class is there, these are the parameters assigned. So class is having one value, styles is having clear, text align. These are the two parameters it is available. Inside that some other parameters. So two values are given. Now this particular A tag is for assigning the link of the source. A is for H reference means it is referring this particular HTTPS full colon / blogger dot Google user content. Some many things are automatically created. We are not going to do anything in this. Image anchors in blue color, which is equal to 1. The value of image anchor is 1. Style again it is. Margin left is 1 EM. This is the value for margin left. 1 EM stands for what? You will learn later. And margin right, again it is 1 EM. Okay. And then it is closed with that. Next, image. IMG means image tab, image tag. Okay. Here also it is having this border equal to 0. Data original height is 156. Data original width is 281. Height equal to 149. And the source is HTTPS, that particular link is there. So this link is same what is given here. You'll be able to see here this particular link here. Everything is same in that place. Okay. So what we are trying to say here is these are the codes automatically created. So our aim is to learn only these two things. Whatever you have done here. Okay. So this H1 we have learned it thoroughly, which is header 1. H2 is we have learned thoroughly, which is the font size will be lesser than H1, and then how to write the paragraph. And after this, we have just created one image, and this has created some other tags. What are the tags we have to learn about that? This BR tag, what is that? How it is behaving? This division tag, how it is behaving? All this thing you have to see this. Okay, the division where it is ending, the A where it is ending, you will just see here. That alone will be very interesting now to learn. Okay. So now if you see here, the division is starting from here. So how we can adjust it here is, so division is there. So I will just make it somewhere here. And the closing division, I will make it here so that it is aligned properly. So division. So in the same vertically, we are just seeing as division is starting from here and division is closing that. Within the division, these are the contents available. Okay. And A is starting from here and A is closed here. So this way we have to understand it. Okay. Then after that, there is a break and there is again the paragraph, line break, and then this is ending. Okay. So this is the simplest way we have learned what is HTML, how we have practiced this writing this code, HTML codes. In the day 2, we will talk about further uh, concept, very interesting way. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel DPAB, please go and subscribe that. What I would like to tell you, when you are finding a challenge of subscribing my channel, you may be facing like this. I will just put something here. Learn HTML, and I would like to watch some YouTube. When you are watching this YouTube channel like this, so let us say this particular person is talking about HTML, and you are the one you are watching this particular YouTube video like my video. So this particular share button is there. I will copy here. Okay, now I will open it in Microsoft Edge. You may be using Microsoft Edge as your browser, or Google as your browser, or any other browser as your YouTube watching source for that. So when you click on this subscribe button, what happens here? It is asking for you to sign because in the browser you are not signed in. So use your email ID, whatever may be the email ID, whether it is Outlook email or Gmail or your Rediff email, Yahoo email, anything is there. Just sign it, and then you will be able to subscribe the button. And when you subscribe the button, what will happen? I will just tell you. So when I click this button, because now in the Google already I've signed it, so it is allowing me to sign in like this. So it will extend and then just go back to display like a bell icon button. Click on the drop down menu, select all the button. So that all the videos starting from day 1, day 2 like that, all the videos you will get the notification. You can just save the notification and watch at your convenient time, either on Monday to Friday or at the weekend of Saturday or Sunday. Okay. So this is for getting the notification. Just press the bell icon button and all. Now press like button if you like my video. And if you once you press it, then this when you hover over this hand symbol, it will just show you the tooltip as unlike. Please do not press when it is showing unlike. So I'll just do it now. Now, when you hover over this hand symbol, it shows I like this. At this particular tooltip, when it is showing I like this only, press it. Okay, then it is just changing to the glowing bulb kind of thing, and then it is turning this hand symbol from white background to black background. And please write some comment about this. Now, in this particular video, somebody 3,378 comment has come. So I will just put my comment here as an example. Very nice video. Very nice video. Thanks. And post it, comment it like this. Okay. And but when you are going and seeing the video without signing in on a browser, so when you are trying to subscribe, this kind of error you will get it. Okay, Prabhakar has put a nice video. I am trying to subscribe it. It's not subscribing. At least let me press the like button. So now it is showing I like this. So I am trying to press it, but still it is asking sign in. For like button pressing also it is asking sign in. Okay, I'm unable to subscribe Prabhakar's DPAB Hosur this channel. And I am not able to press the like button also. At least let me write some comment like this. When you click on this, again it will ask sign in. So to press the subscribe button or the like button or write some comment, you need to sign in first and then go. But it is very easy to share it, whether you have signed in or not signed in. You can just click on this and copy this and then press this message or WhatsApp or Facebook, whatever way you wanted to communicate to your friends and your family, you can just send it through there. And what is this embed means? You just click on this. Again, you will see the HTML code start with iframe tag, which ends here, this up to this. Now you are able to see this greater than symbol. After that, allow full screen, then greater than symbol. So the tag contains so many details. And then closing the tag of slash iframe. So copy this by pressing this. Okay. Then paste it in your website or blog so that this particular video will be displayed in that particular website of yours or blog of yours, from where you can just go and see that video. So thank you very much for watching this video on day 1 of Learn HTML in 90 days. Please continue to watch. Subscribe my channel DPAB Hosur. Press subscribe button and click all button in that. Press like button and write some comment about this video also. Thank you very much, friend. Meet you in day 2 video soon. Thank you. Take care. Bye.